Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Harun alayhi salam. So don't skip the video. Keep watching till the end. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon for future updates. Let's start the video. Prophet Harun alayhi salam was a significant figure in Islamic tradition. He was known for being the brother of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Both brothers were born into the Israelite community, which was suffering under the oppression of the Pharaoh in Egypt. Harun alayhi salam and Musa alayhi salam were chosen by Allah to lead their people out of Egypt and to call Pharaoh to believe in the one true God. Harun alayhi salam's role was essential in assisting his brother Musa alayhi salam in their mission to free the Israelites from slavery. Harun alayhi salam was known for his wisdom, patience, and eloquence. He was a skilled speaker, which made him a valuable support to his brother Musa. Prophet Musa alayhi salam had expressed difficulty in speaking clearly. Allah instructed Musa alayhi salam to appoint Harun alayhi salam as his helper. And together they confronted the Pharaoh to demand the release of the Israelites. Harun alayhi salam played a key role in persuading the people and supporting his brother during the difficult times. One of the most notable events in Harun alayhi salam's life was the story of the golden calf, when Musa alayhi salam went up to the mountain for a long period of time to receive the commandments from Allah. Some of the Israelites turned to idol worship and made a golden calf to worship. Harun alayhi salam tried to stop them and warn them against this sin, but they did not listen. When Musa alayhi salam returned and saw the people's disobedience, he was angered. And Harun alayhi salam explained that he had done his best to prevent their wrongdoing. Despite the challenges they faced, Harun alayhi salam remained steadfast in his faith and commitment to Allah's commands. His efforts in supporting his brother were crucial. And he was patient in times of difficulty. Harun alayhi salam also helped to guide the Israelites during their journey through the desert after their escape from Egypt. He continued to fulfill his role as a leader and a prophet, sharing Allah's message with the people. Harun alayhi salam passed away before the Israelites entered the promised land. His death was a moment of great loss for his people, especially for Musa alayhi salam, who had relied heavily on his support. However, his legacy lived on, as the people remembered his wisdom, courage, and unwavering faith in Allah. Harun alayhi salam's role in supporting the mission of Prophet Musa alayhi salam and his dedication to Allah made him one of the revered figures in Islam. In the Quran, Harun alayhi salam is often mentioned as a model of righteousness and loyalty to Allah. His story teaches the importance of standing firm in faith, supporting others in their struggles, and remaining patient in the face of adversity. Harun alayhi salam is highly respected not only in Islam but also in Judaism and Christianity, where he is remembered as a devoted servant of God and a brotherly figure to Prophet Musa alayhi salam.